Hey guys, we're standing in front of Younger Homes right out here in beautiful Lago Vista. The store we're getting ready to put on is like the cherry on top of the sundae. Come on, let's check this out. All right, well, welcome to the channel. Today we got a model 2347 C.H.I. You're gonna love this door. We got it right there laid up against the wall. Mr. Bo checking the windows out. Everything kind of laid out. So this is the JOB for today. All right, we got ceiling to the top of the flag bracket, 4 inches. Let's go take a look at the other side. So right there, you know we're at 6 inches on this side. A laser level is really worth the money. You can see the line at the top of that track over there. It comes down. So let's get after that. Get this thing ready to go. Isn't that right, Mr. Bo? Yep. See, I got little bitty bars. Bo's got big old long bars. So you need little bitty bars in these tight situations. Here's your tight situation bar, sir. We're gonna see Mr. Bo in action.
You wanna watch me struggle?
Yes, so those springs are some tough dogs. 262 wire. They're tough. Look at Bo. He's a beast.
You need help? These little bars.
Closer you are to that sucker, better. Yeah, it is tough.
Yeah, is there less space on this side?
Maybe just a little.
Does it feel
I
like?
think that's 33.
Oh, really?
Think. Maybe one more to grow on. One more to really get stuck in there. Woo!
Dude, those little bars. I don't like them.
They are widow makers.
Might as well just use a couple of flathead screwdrivers.
Alright, Bo, this is it.
You want me
This is
to
it. Hang on. Let's get this live action.
Okay.
Alright, so after cutting down 2 inches on the left-hand side track, because the floor is a little like this, right? So 2 inches off the left. We didn't have to cut any over here on the right. So we're gonna see what happens. I don't know. I don't know, Bo. I'm sure to work. Like 2 inches is about max that I ever want to cut off a vertical. Here we go, guys.
Yippee dippy.
Rip and dip. Rip and dip.
I don't know for a regular opener.
No, but that's good. Let's show the fans out there.
How much space we got?
All right, guys, there we go. It's really close to the ceiling. Making the curve. Okay. Yeah, go ahead, Mr. Bo. Yeah.
I'm gonna take it from the beginning.
Take it from the beginning. Ooh, man, it missed that ceiling. Barely. Looking good, looking good.
Just load her.
Dodged a bullet on that one. Wow. hangs. I'm gonna kick that hang in just a little bit there, and man, that works.
What?
All right, so that's it. This was a fun one, an 18 by 8. Like I said, we had to cut off 2 inches on that left side vertical track just because, the concrete was that far off. You can see a little bit of daylight down at the bottom on the right-hand side under the door. But, a little retrofit. You may have to cut some stuff to make it happen, make it work, but, just get after it and put together a plan, execute it, job done, mission success. Let's go outside and take a look. Whoa, that's a long way down. Couldn't imagine falling. Yeah, that'd probably be me. Ho, 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 ho. Through all this scaffolding, boy, I sure hope these guys do not drop anything on this door. Man, that thing is beautiful. Let's get up here a little closer. There we go. Yeah, this is C.H.I.'s new natural oak. Bo, this is natural oak, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Natural oak.
Natural oak right there, guys. Look how natural that looks. Man, she's good looking. Woo! Woo! Got those nice windows right there, long panel frosted. Man. But as you can see, it's still got some stucco, some paint to do, and looks good. Dang. Thanks. If you got any questions about this install, please, don't hesitate. Comment, hit that like button. Please subscribe if you haven't. I mean, what are you doing? Be part of the conversation. We'll see you on the next one. Peace out. Woo!